Anywhere you go, you belong.
Nandito kami ngayon sa bagong location ng computer parts and computer shop nila ate.
What do you say when you go to a shop like that and there is no one there?
Tao po.
Tao po.
Yan. We're gonna wake up Ate Maria and Kuya Ino. Andito sila sa kabila eh. May daming bata. So many kids.
Tao po.
Louder.
Tao po.
Tingnan sila sleep eh. Tulog pa ate. Super Saiyan yun.
Yeah. We need your help. Yeah.
Tao po. Yeah.
Tao po.
Tulog pa sila.
Anybody there?
Ito yung computer shop nila ate.
Tao po.
Wanna chat with someone?
Yeah.
Ah, you chat. Uy, TikTok yarn. Ano ba yung YouTube, TikTok? Busy mga bagets ah. Ito mga ano nyo dito? Customer. Hi kayo! Hi naman sila! Sabi nyo, hi vlog! Ay, nahiya sila.
Magulog ka na, maubos na oras mo.
Saan yung timer nila? Paano mo alam?
Hindi, may nag-pop na message.
Kay kiss Tito. Tito's gonna give you something. You don't want that? You buy french fries, ha?
French fries.
O, kiss Tito na. Tito give you something. Kiss Tito first.
Kiss.
Ayaw eh. O, sige, bawin. Wala ng french fries.
Okay, no more.
No more french fries.
Kiss.
Kiss.
No?
Ay,
Oh my
sungit.
God, so moody.
O, sige na. Ito na nga. Kunin mo na, bilis.
Kain yung ibigay mo
Ah,
For you.
kiss mo, Tito.
Hey, thank you po. Kain yung ibigay mo, di niya alam yan.
Mamaya.
Oh, good. Ish?
Isha, kiss Tito. Tito's gonna give you something.
Ish doesn't want anything. Oh, Ish, for you. What do you wanna buy?
Kiss Tito na. Badrat ka pa. Wala ka pang hilamos.
What do you wanna buy?
Thank you po.
No, already is.
Nagbilang na ng pera ang aming bank teller. Magkano pera mo?
This one is new. Wow, I like it.
Ay, dahil you keep it.
Yeah, I have old one.
Magkano?
Magkano po?
Ito dagdag pa daw, sabi ni Tito.
More.
Ito pa, ito pa, 45 oh.
Thank you po.
Cashier?
Dami pera, Jared.
Yeah, that's the cashier. Right? Like that?
Ito pala yung computer store nila ate dito sa Cavite, pero lilipat nila na sila soon. Ayan. Search nyo na lang yung Kai's Computer Trading.
Now it's the wait. Now it's the 5-6 shop.
Haha, 5-6 shop. Bakit daw?
5-6.
Kaya 5-6 na. Ito kasi address, pero lilipat na sila eh. Yan. Pupunta pala kami ng ano guys, Tagaytay, kasama lahat. Kaya gonna go to Tagaytay. Oh, but Ish said my hair looks nice.
Sir, 1980.
1980s daw, te. Wala ka kasing salamin eh. Is it really? 1980s? Mga daw galing sa 1980s yung hair ko. Mga ganun lang. Kasi wala salamin si ate. Wala ka salamin eh. Gamit ko niyan, compact ano lang. Oo. Kulot, ay gusto yan ni Ish yung magpapakulot. Yan, kukulutin ka ni tita.
Tita, di ba nakakita na kayo dati ng cherry blossom?
Cherry blossom? Oo.
Ate, inakataw ko yung video mo.
Ah, pinanood mo yung video ni tita. Ay, sorry.
Isa pa kayo lang ng tawag mo. Sige, sa'yo ko ice cream yummy. Ay, part time pa dali pa kita mo doon sa kanila. Nagpapaisip kayo ko na.
Sige, bala ka dyan.
Yummy. It's yung good.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay.
Okay ka lang dyan pa?
Malamig ba? Hindi. Ay, hindi. Aray ko. Tagaytay!
Nagitay po to?
Ewan ko. Tagaytay yata to. Oh yeah, I think it's Tagaytay na, di ba kuya?
See that? Yeah?
Tagaytay!
Yeah!
Tara, tabi to. Uy, Jared, liga rito ha. Can you hold Jared to me? Jared! On the other side, please.
This one.
Tara na, tara na, Gigi.
No, 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 no.
Where are our words done? Our words done.
Ano, may cross pa?
Fly.
Ayun, ganun pala. You have to raise your head like that. Ala, ano to? I hope you... Nice! Wow!
Where? What is that? This one?
Ano, picture tayo. Let's take a picture na.
Very good.
Tara, G!
Nice.
Nice, no? Nice weather. I like the weather too.
Ba't kasi si Bulinggit nandoon? Oy, Bulinggit!
Gising na? Hindi. Ish.
Wala, chuchu.
Ala, ano yan? Pag grabe pababa, oh my God.
Mami, punta tayo dati.
Tabingin na tayo, ba't ganun?
Sarado.
Tabingin.
Ah, okay. Picture lang. Pwede rin tayo sa linya niya. Sa may house.
Sige. Salamat. Doon lang tayo sa may gilid na, no? Saan tayo? Pay doon o dito?
Bakit daw? Bakit daw?
Sarado pa.
Alam ko ito, bubuksan.
Manila ka rin?
Hanggang saan na lang ba yan, boss?
Pwede sa tingin na kayo sa may hubs eh. Sobrang hubs. Isang pinapagandang view.
Okay.
Isa tingin na.
Mami, pupunta tayo dati dyan.
It's closed. Alam mo ba?
Apo.
Sa video,
Sarado
baby.
kasi.
Kailan ba ang saro yan?
Meron kami pinuntahan dito na ano, yung parang Disneyland daw dito sa Tagaytay. Ayan, kaso nga lang sarado daw. Oh, you see it from here, ah? You can see it from here. Ito, papasukin sana namin. Sarado daw pala. Ayan. Sarado daw ng pandemic. Ano daw sabi, te?
Sarado daw simula pandemic.
Oh, hindi na binuksan talaga.
Tayo daw yung pinaka-founder nito.
Ah, namatay. Pero ang plano nila dyan, parang Disneyland sana. You want a picture, Sumit? Oh, nice. Oh, hala. Still got a picture of it. Can I have a picture here? Nice, no? Fresh air.
Can I just start living here?
Yeah, you can. Oh, maybe turn around. I
Look at
wanna.
this side.
Oh, Sumit's palace is here. Is that yours? Sumit, is that yours?
Yeah,
Nice. Look here.
so good.
It's actually nice. Stay there.
So cold. It's so cold.
Go with Tito. Is this your palace ba, Jared? Ang ganda, guys. Ishi, say hi to the camera. Oh. Ishi, girl.
She wants to go.
Oh, say hi, guys.
She said yes.
Ah, didn't wanna say hi. Ito si Jared, pangalan ni ate. Jared, say hi to the camera.
Hello.
Yes. And that's Ish. Ay, saan si Ish? Si Ish. Pangalawa ni ate. There. Ano na sila? Wala na. Ayan. Papa, ate, Eman. Asan si Kai Kai?
Good shit.
You try it. This one is espasol and then makapuno.
Pero mas
Open it.
masarap to. Much better.
It's coconut.
What is this?
Just open it.
Sticky rice.
Good shit.
Yeah. But the small one is better, but just...
Kaya nga, sayang.
There's drugs.
Kay Kai, say hi naman.
He said it's drunk.
Cane. It's like the cane.
Ano ba yan?
Nakalim na yung
You
arena.
eat first.
Just, ano,
Remove the flour, extra flour. Yeah.
you can remove it.
You need straw.
The sticky rice inside, yeah.
You need straw and snip.
Let me try.
That's good. That's
No?
fine. That's fine.
But the other one is much better.
Oh.
The small one,
Try the small one.
alam mo na, it's just a part. Pay yung mga puno.
There's like
Masarap
nothing.
talaga.
Pinahanap mo mataan.
Yeah, I'm looking at it. What is it?
Try that.
Here.
Try that.
Hanap ko rin na sa akin pala.
Jared, ako ba daw?
How do I open?
Open it, Jared.
So, kakati mo na lang, mga pumutok, kumalat.
Ay, Tito, can you open, Tito? Tito Sumit, he cannot open. Tito will help you. Ayun na.
Oh, good. Good job. Okay, try.
It's squishy.
Try. Try. Oh. This one is better. Way better.
Give po yan, Ate Marie. Can I have one more last one? Sorry. Give it to the mom. Good one. Makapuno.
Why you does it not go off?
Give it to him na.
Okay, after.
Good, right?
Nice, no?
Ano mo gagawa namin? Oh, spasol. Pero yung mga puno.
Sumit, come here, oh. I'll show you something. Ito kasi meron silang ganito sa kanila. Oh,
Oh, we have in India.
yeah.
Gotcha.
Pachak, yeah. You want?
remember?
Do you want?
It's too sweet.
Ayaw daw.
Sa banana chips.
Too sweet.
Chikoy, kay. Hey, guys! Huh? What's that?
Red horse or
I don't know.
San Miguel? San Miguel. Huh?
Diet.
I like this place.
Yeah, I like this place then. Me too! I like this place.
Imagine living there.
That, ano no, castle, palace.
FC Karit.
Oh,
Hello, Giant. Ano yan?
you want pillow?
Sandali sa.
Tutulog na ba?
You feel sleepy?
Oh yeah, you can sleep na here, no?
I will give you blanket and pillow. Hi guys, sit down.
Kaya sit down na, bilis.
Guy, here.
Sit down na, Kay.
Yeah, good. Lie down. Lie down.
Ala, si Kuya Giant higa na. Oh my God, so neat. Fresh air.
So good.
Oy, ish! Rest in peace.
Look at this. Hi, come here. Huh? Jared didn't like.
Ano yan?
Jared
May
didn't
balat
like.
naman, di papahirapan mo pa kami.
Ba't galit ka?
Ano mo ha? Yun, ilang piraso to? 12. 12. May balat, pahihirapan mo pa kami. Samantala yun, wala nang balat. Bakit mo pa kami bentahan, papahirapan mo pa kami.
Wala naman maibas na.
Sino tumalikod? Ayaw na magbigay? Pengi po. Alam, talikod nga.
Ay, kaya, laruan. Ito ang reto.
Ganda dyan ah. Oh, it's better here. Nice. It's nice, right? Ganda na, kuya. Ganda. Ano, belly buster pala to.
After mong kumain din, ma.
Aning-aning ka. Kain kami dito sa, Mang Aning. Pero parang iba yata to. Ito ba? Ito ba yun, Mang Aning? Sarap dito. Sumik! Can I?
30.
Self-service pala ito.
Okay ba? Ayos to.
Kai, your new toy. New toy. Kai.
Yutak! Kaya kahit na bilis! Ayun. Super overload lang.
Magkano po yung ganyan? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Pitong matanda, 3 bata.
7 adult.
Kulang. Ano pa? Pwede naman try na lang natin iba pa.
Ayan, 249. Ano pa gusto niyo?
Overload na lomi. Tapos, sumit pa na. Wait lang. Oh, it's nice, no? So you can see the castle still. Dito kami. Later na. Where are you going?
Here?
There. Where are you going? Wala! Bakit? Ready na daw yung barkada, Lomi.
You can tip me later.
Yes, ready, come. Let's go take.
Ano ba yung natin ngayon, no?
Ay. Tsaka take out ng crispy pata. Pero take out pang mamaya daw.
For you? No? Huh? And this one for you? No? Oh, sad.
You can sit here in the middle. I'll sit beside you.
Ah,
Wow!
bakit wala sila yung ano, sibuyas? Wow.
Sarap,
That's
barkada,
for what?
Lomi.
30 people?
I'm not gonna eat.
What?
I play dead and I stay dead. Maybe you'll get sick of being the monster out of my head, under my bed. Think you're something out of my nightmares. Standing right there. But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead, then will you get bored of killing me?
Silhouettes of you are like a taunt. Never really know just what you want. With you I don't ever feel calm. I can feel the sweat inside my palms. Play with me like cats and a string. You don't understand the pain it brings. You don't ever wanna give me wings. You don't ever wanna set me free. You know I'm addicted to you, and it's twisted. You've been gifted with the evil voodoo. Got me coming back for more, even when I've been screwed. Dolls full of pins, pierce my heart straight through. I got issues in my head. I like you in my bed, but you keep me on red. Oh, everything is like a test. I better not text or I'll come off desperate.
But if I lay down